Etegia kwanado Alison Mary Akelo alosikineteke kwape Atemele na Elatok kokoteso iro Aboisio nu eminasi pejok arebonate Elatoko ai pejonokin kesi shara kinateso imori arito nyero rock painting kagwara landing site iukono lwegelegela nepepekai boisha cheda eupasika Atemele kiache Alison Mary Akelo nyesi ya balebe epedoreta Aboisio nu airiuna piai neja siteso karai palasi ai juala unite kesi iborebu neja ikini pejoko luoking ai pejonokin.
It's day 2 of my homecoming and we are on the very top of Abela Rock. It's my first time to be here and I cannot tell you how beautiful this place is. I have been down on the road the whole time and I haven't taken time to observe how beautiful Teso is. And coming on top of this rock, it has shown me the beauty that is in Teso. And then now I get the information that we have a lot of people that stay around this rock, but they don't even know the beauty that Teso holds, the beauty that is here. What are we doing as Iteso? Do we appreciate our tourism sites and how are we going to do it to market them? When we get tourists to come here, they're going to support our businesses. The small businesses we have down there on the roadside, they'll buy your food. When you come here and take them around, they'll pay you. You're growing financially, you're developing the place. We already have a main road. It's easy for tourists to get here. The government already made the road for us. So let us take advantage of the different tourism sites we have in Teso and market and ensure to make money out of this, ensure to grow and get even the Iteso that live here that do not know about the different places around Teso that are beautiful. And you can't talk about Teso as a beautiful place. Take time to look around where you stay. Everything is beautiful.
Kowayaje Martha Pero afastirana na Atemele na Elatok koko Uganda kere koraida bobo afastirana na Atemele na Elatok koko Karamoja yala manoya ipejokine moru lo Abela ngesi ya balebe Ejokakai Aboisio nu kanuanga leuda kowailo ariono ramorito.
But trust me, from here I am in position to see Awoja Swamp. I am in position to see the plains and the beauty that Soroti, or let's say Katakwi district, has to present. And I want to encourage, first of all, the schools around Katakwi to come and hike this rock. Do you know that hiking is one of the best experiences you can have? First of all, it is helpful to your health, and also you learn a lot of things when you are on top here. You can have the greatest view that you've ever had in your life, and trust me, the primary pupils, the secondary school pupils will enjoy the view. I personally have had an amazing, breathtaking, life-changing experience today that I've hiked this rock. And if tourists come here, this is going to help the businesses around the rock. People will be in position to sell their local foods. Do you guys know about the foods here? There is echomai, there is ekamalakwang, there is pested chicken. Have you tasted pested chicken? Come here.
Apelekinete na elatekeche karai aimoi waitinilu aijaikina Aboisio wa gwelar ibore kapotu kitojokatar ebe kotoberiteso aibe Aboisio nu kwapenu kech.
Polotane ashomitine ajaini adu kitine mamne beta losit. Jao morulo kiding le nyarita bila. O morulo to nyarita ijuri kedateso. Do de jai be more do pe jelo radio Joshua. Ana nyarita ke kiro ripuri. Konye morula bila lo atupite akirono inono atupita akirono no alu kola papa. Anyarita morula bila nara etungana ni lo so ditla bui boy kinina bila ne je somero la bila primary school. Are ke kiro nyarita bila. E mai kite morulo okirore angol.
Emuron Patrick Okou Euriatlo district alo Katakwi ediopete kalu au pasika kes ngesi ya balebe epedoreta itungati aitegari biasaran koto my Aboisio kanu ibore yatakini aitijenari kesi tomotunga
abunenen ai pejonokini ne alotok kede duelu somero kede tunga da eluche apara san we kwete ngeta kinekaru harai botina pakina ai numuno meuru ebetiti tunga bunere ne ujeno akwa be ijone da ibore ne dumni enuso nari boy kinoni ne itemo koni ne jok pedora domo na jokis na asodit pedora domo ne kapunane nyekera tara be adukun eteri kuja gwa kini kwetu ujuriti kujine adukun etera ija kini moruje ipurile ija Joshua adukun etera gwa kini kidine kiwanyone be ya isirgiri lepo welo setene ya pogan welo setene ya mormor welo setene ya isomero adetis nintidu munanani isiriginane lwe gantosi
Alison Mary Akelo Atemele na Elatok na uniete ageunu ne tegarra tukot na kamistwarism teso nepeta ikariuni kau ngesi inyiko kitobale be epote kesi kwape atukoto inyiko kit eurolo noi koteso Kanuka TV East Alfred Atwau ko district alokata kui.
Thank you very much.